Hello and welcome. In this occasion we're going to set up the altimeter knob and push and pull events for my autopilot panel. In the previous video we configured the heading knob and the push and pull events. If you are familiar with MobiFlight, FSUI PC7, setting up encoders or push buttons, I would advise that you go and check out my other videos first. Having said that, there's currently no MFS2020 events related to heading, push and pull events, so we're going to create our custom ones. So let's jump into Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. Make sure developers mode is enabled and go to model behaviors and make sure you're into the correct model entry, A320 new interior. I am now using the search bar to try and locate the knob that controls the altimeter events. There is a knob autopilot knob alt that looks promising. Alright, so it looks like we have managed to locate the code that controls the clockwise, anti-clockwise turn of the knob and also the push and pull events. So to switch between managed and selected mode, we need to control this H variable, this A320neo CDU mode selected altitude and managed altitude. Okay, so now we're going to add these variables into the event file in the MobiFlight folder inside your community folder in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. So I'm going to type them in inside the FCU group. Now we also need to add these variables inside the MobiFlight installation folders in presets in a file called MFS2020 events IDs. So yeah, this is basically how you add custom events into MobiFlight. Now I need to restart MobiFlight and also the Microsoft Flight Simulator.
1 hour later.
Okay, let's now create a couple of new inputs. I'm going to name them autopilot alt selected and managed. So I've already flashed the Arduino with the buttons and encoder settings. You can see this in another video. And now we're going to choose the event that we have created. So for the autopilot selected mode, I'm choosing autopilot selected. That's pretty straightforward. Now let's very quickly do the same thing with the autopilot managed mode. So same procedure, I'm switching between managed and selected mode with a two-way switch. That's why I'm choosing different pins. Probably there's another way of doing so, but that's how I'm doing it for now. And yeah, we're pretty much done. We just have one thing left to do, which is setting up the altimeter knob. In this case, I'm using this event ID, which works just fine. So yeah, just gonna stick with the preset for now. Now make sure you save everything, please, and click Run. Nice and smooth. Thank you for watching and I hope you found it useful. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.